Max, what are we doing?
Park the Chevelle.
We're getting a part for the Chevelle. Right on.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Junk to Driven. Doing a little family quickety-quick road trip to Wenatchee. If you guys watched my previous video on, I was trying to find a rear bumper for the 72. Well, my wife actually found one on the the Facebook?
Craigslist.
The Craigslist, buy, sell, trade, etc. Anyways, there's some guy went.
You with it though.
Yeah. Anyways, but there's some good dude selling the rear 72 in fair condition, and we're doing that road trip now. 432 on I-90, about 75 miles an hour. Both the kids in the car, my two youngest ones, the two oldest ones are at wrestling practice. So I don't know how long you think.
About an hour.
An hour. And yeah, we're using the van. Put the bumper in there. And we'll see if this guy lets us do a few more parts and see what he has. He has a whole bunch of like C10 doors, C10 hoods, El Camino parts, Nova parts. Once we get there, we'll see if he's gonna allow me to maybe shoot what he got. And if you guys are in that area, maybe you guys can hit him up.
I was gonna show him the little part where the bumper goes, just in case you guys think that the van can't handle anything.
Alright guys, still driving. If you guys are familiar with Wenatchee, we're down that big hill coming across that bridge. If you guys can see the bridge, or no, that's the bridge, the dam. It's getting dark out here already. 5:18. It's getting real dark. Kind of sucks though, but you guys can see that dam. Possibly. We've been in front of this little slow Volkswagen Bug, about that 2000 era Bug. The ugly ones.
The ugly. Did I
Still
tell
passing
you?
cars.
Did I tell you I seen a Pepto-Dismal one as I was going to town one day? It was like so ugly.
What color?
Pepto-Dismal pink.
Pepto-Bismol?
Yeah. Why? Am I saying it wrong?
I thought you said it wrong.
No.
Anyway, I think we're approaching what? Rock Island?
Yeah.
Rock Island soon. Try to get here as fast as we could, but it seems like as fast as you guys try to get, the slower that you get, because you get in front of cars here, especially that Bug. Anyways, so we are almost in Wenatchee. Getting a good miles per gallon, about 29.3, and our average is 21.6, and that's with that VCM. So I guess it's working right now anyways, but I have not got that VCM muster for this yet, but that is pretty good. 29.4 miles per gallon. Alright, little car maintenance over there in the van. So you're replacing a motor or something, I don't know. Anyways, here at the local Costco real quick before we hit up this guy. The van's doing, I haven't done an update on the van yet on that VCM module. Just replaced those 3 spark plugs as in the video. It's been running fine. I think I showed this thing at what, like 68,000 miles, and now we're at 70,000 something, and we're still doing good. You guys seen that thing right there? We're still getting the good gas miles. You guys seen it at 29.4 miles per gallon. That's pretty damn good to me. Took the van because the bumper will fit in the back. 2, my 2 oldest ones are at the wrestling practice, you know, and 3, you got 2 youngest ones in the back, and we have that little video set up, and they like to watch that video setup. And 4, my truck ain't got no tabs. And 5, the truck would have been way more gas miles to take, so that's why the van is the car hauler. But this van would be all right if it wasn't for that VCM issue. And hopefully whenever I get that VCM muzzle, it's going to take care of it, or we're going to have washed out rings. So anyways, I'm going to hope this guy's going to let us see those parts. I mean, it is already dark, as you guys can see already here. Kind of sucks, but I'm not too sure if he's going to let us see those parts, because I'd be a little bit, you know, like kind of iffy if someone was on the video camera myself with parts and I just showed up at his address. You know, a whole bunch of stuff could go stolen, but I'm not that type of guy, and hopefully no one else is that type of people. So we'll see what he does, and we'll see if he lets us see those parts. But he does have a lot of parts for sale. If he doesn't let us see them, then I will kind of talk about or show what he has for sale, and then you guys can go from there. If you guys are from where I'm at, if you guys are in need of some Chevelle parts or some El Camino parts or even some C10 parts. And I think these range from about, I think his post said 68 to 76 parts or so. I'm gonna have to look at that post again. So hopefully when we're going to see him, hopefully I get to record. If not, then I'll kind of put a few things that he had for sale. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Sitting in the parking lot at Costco. Clean Suburban. I won't do a full walk around on it because I want to show the guy's license plate, but clean. Some old man in about his 60s popped out of this thing with his working man gloves, walked in all quick. Probably grabbing a 24-pack at Costco prices. But clean Suburban. You guys guess the year, maybe? Also a clean Bronco. Trying to go home right here, but alright guys, so it's obviously a new day. Cold, but we're still out here. Anyways, here's the bumper. Better shot of it. What do you guys think? Traveled about 60 so miles an hour. Well, I guess 2 hours. Even came with the bumper guards. I don't think I've seen a Chevelle, either 71 or 72, if the bumper guards are either off. A little bit of a thing right here. No dents besides this bumper guard right here. But it didn't go through here, so it looks all straight. Minor rust. Paid $100 for this, plus your time and gas, but the van still needed fuel anyway, so this is the fiberglass, and the only reason I'm getting away with this, I mean, it's cool, don't get me wrong, it's cool, it's light. I'm not really gonna be racing it, so I think the original owner had this on here because he said he was racing this long time ago, whatever. So the second reason why I'm going with the original, to me, it looks cleaner. And 3, I just don't really trust these new drivers anymore on the road. Too many, you know, people busy Facebooking while driving, and you know, every single time you see someone driving, their head's looking down and they're on their phones. So hopefully this never gets rear-ended or hit anywhere. So if it does, even if it's at a stoplight and I still get a still like a little pinch, someone hitting this, you know, like this is gonna break and it's gonna go through here, and hopefully this can save it. Hopefully it never happens, and hopefully it never happens to anyone else's rides, because, you know, even if something's not that fixed, you know, it's still precious to somebody. So those are my reasons why I'm going back to the original. The guy who I got this off of, he actually bought these too, and he also has, I think he has a front bumper too, but I already have the front bumper. I'm gonna need the mounting hardware, so I'm gonna try to find the hardware for here. I should be able to use the same bracketry, which I think the brackets are behind here. I haven't really got underneath here to actually look, but that'll be another video on the install of this. So tell me what you guys think. I kind of think these bumper guards are kind of cool. I've never really seen them, like I said, but they are on here, so I'm not too sure if that's a trim style or if that's an aftermarket add-on for these years or whatever. But I've always seen these 71s and 72s with no bumper guards. Anyways, guys, the van hauled it. Got like almost 30 miles to the gallon instead of using my pickup. All right, guys. See you on the next one. If you guys are liking what you see, like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.